So let's go ahead and configure our Cisco 2960 switch, and we'll just go ahead and do our basic configuration. So we are already in enable mode, and we can move from enable mode to config mode because we'll be configuring. So let's change the host name. So host name, and let's change it to Fortis underscore switch, and the host name is changed. Then let's go ahead and do the IP domain name. So let's do P domain name, and let's do fortis.com. Let's go ahead and do the crypto key. And let's do 512. Now SSH has been enabled. Let's do line VTY. And let's configure it for login local. And let's exit. So now that we have done the host name and the SSH, let's move on to configuring our VLANs. So still in configuration mode, we do VLAN 10, and let's name the VLAN accounts. So let's do name account. Let's do exit. And just for the sake of it, let's add another VLAN. So let's do VLAN 20. And name, let's name it management. And exit. So now we have two VLANs. We have account and management VLANs. Now let's go ahead and assign our IP address. And let's do IP address 192.168.1.10 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. And let's no shot and exit. Now let's move on to configure our trunk port if we're connecting to another switch or router. So let's do interface GI 0/1 switch port mode trunk switch port trunk allowed VLAN all. And let's now shut our VLAN and exit. Now let's go ahead and configure our access port for connecting end devices. So go interface, and let's do it in a range. So 1 to 48. And let's do switch port, mode access. And let's put that in VLAN 10. And let's no shot and exit. Now let's go ahead and set our enable secret password. So let's do enable secret and Cisco, low caps. And we can go ahead and also console our line con 0. And let's put it password. Let's do password Cisco 123. And of course, this is just for demonstration purposes. That's definitely not a secure password. Exit. And let's do our line VTY. And there we go. So now we have configured the basic. Let's go ahead and save our configuration. So we do copy, running config to startup config. And there we go. We are saving our configuration. Now we move on to do some verification. So let's check the VLANs that we have created. And we can see we had some VLANs before that was already configured, but the ones that we just did was accounts and management. And we can see they are both active on the switch. Let's go ahead and verify our IP address. And we can see that our IP address of VLAN 1, 192.168.1.10 has been set. And there we go. We have successfully configured our Cisco 2960 switch.